Let me go see what this little... Pansy, what is Lennon doing? He's quite strange. Lennon, what are you doing? What are you doing, Lennon? You silly little chicken. Making all those weird noises. No, he's not doing anything.
No, he's being watched.
No, he's not doing his little... strange behavior. Okay. I'm recording. See if he does his little sneezes. Lennon, you're so weird. What are you doing? Lennon has Tourette's. You silly chicken. Silly chicken. My goodness. Oh. You like the coat, Lennon. You silly chicken. Where have you gone? Lennon, come here. Lennon. Lennon. Come here, Bubba. Come here, baby. Come here, Lennon. Come here. Come here, baby boy. Come here, little boy. Come here, little boy. Hello, little boy. He's looking at the doggy. What are you doing, Lennon? What are you doing, little Lennon? Are you ticklish? Are you ticklish? Are you ticklish? Come here. Here, will you take the video? Just hold it. Come here, Lennon. Come here, little booger. see?
Mm-hmm.
Are you ticklish? Are you ticklish? Are you ticklish, little hen? Ticklish little cockerel? Ticklish little cockerel? Oh, little buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, little buddy. Shh, Pansy. Who's my sweet little boy? It's my sweet little baby boy. Are you watching? It's my little boy. It's my little linen boy. You're mad. You're mad. You're mad, little chicken. Say hi to Charlie. Say hi to Charlie. Hmm? What? What? Oh, that's Pansy. Little Pansy, Bubba. Hi, Pansy. Come here, Bubba. Come here, little baby. Come here, Pansy, Bubba. Come here, Bubba. Charlie, Charlie. Oh, there's the other little chickies. And there's Miss Pansy, Mr. Pansy. Pansy! Bubba! Pansy! Come here, Bubba. Come here. Come here, little bubbies. Come here, little bubbies. Come here, little bubbies. What's Pansy doing? Come here, bubbies. Come here, little bubbies. Oh. Here's little Pansy. Can I see? No? Oh, little baby. And there's... Hello, Princess Grace. Hello. Hello, Princess Grace. Can you play your horn for us? Huh? Goodness gracious. Linen. Goodness gracious. Hi, little babies. Princess Grace, come here, Bubba. Come here, baby. You can see Princess Grace's little eggs, if she laid any today. Let's go and look. Oh, there's an egg! Yay! Thank you, Princess Grace. Thank you. Come here. Come here. Oh. Oh, she loves that. She loves that. She loves it. She loves it. Oh, the chickens.